Hello and welcome to my channel. In last session we have discussed about using AI tools for designing websites. Now to design a proper website or to get a good response from your clients and users or to increase user engagement, we need to use proper images on our website. Most of the websites are used for promoting a personal brand or for promoting a particular product. Now if you want to create different kinds of images with face or different kinds of images with the product, then we are going to use a lot of different tools. Some tools are online, some tools are offline. The most used tool for developing and creating images is Photoshop, but it takes a lot of time to design a particular image and you need to learn that Photoshop. Now in this video I am going to explore a website where you can get lot of ready-made images, and in every image you can easily change your logo, you can easily change your face, or even you can put your own product on the particular image, and then you can use that image in your website. Sometimes what we can do is we can partially prepare an image from that website, and then again we can have some more editing in other tools like Photoshop. Now if you want to know which is the free website where we can add our faces or we can change lot of faces without using any tool or technique or without wasting any time, it's a simple, you don't need to learn anything. Just watch this video till the end. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and share your comments on this video. Without wasting time, let's jump into the direct content. For this purpose, just let's go on my desktop. Now just open a browser and go to the Google and just type this Photofonia. Now you can pronounce as a Photofonia or Photofonia, whatever you want, and then just click on the first option which is coming here. Okay, now the website name is photofonia.com, and here you can sign up, or if you don't want to sign up, lot of content you can develop without any charges, without any cost. Now when you are entering on this website, you will get a lot of ready-made images ready here, and in these images you can change the text or face or photo. Okay, now these are different images, a lot of images are available. Now you can see at left side there are different categories. Now you can check in which category you want to create image. Now I will show you some images that already I have created. Now you can check this image. Now this is a simple image I have designed to send a good morning message to my students. Now you can see this image I have developed by using Photophonia, and later on I have added the text good morning. I have also added one of the message, motivational message, that I am going to send to my students. Okay, so your attitude decides your destiny. Now this is the message. Now along with this image I want to give my face on this image. So you can see in a coffee cup my image is printed. Now you don't need to waste the time to create images like this. Now this image is created by using photophonia.com, and here I am going to demonstrate how you can do similar things. The same image we will develop by using Photophonia. Now you can see here lot of options are available. Now you can choose any option that you like. Let us see whether that image is available here, or here you can directly search also. So I will just type coffee. Let's see what happens. Okay, now when you are searching for this, yes, here is the image. Okay, now at the top of image it is also given the what type of image is HD, that means it's a high definition image. Sometimes you will get symbol of video camera, that means it's not an image but it's a small video, and you can also add your face on that video. Now here what I am going to do is I am going to pick up this image. Okay, now just select the image, and now what you have to do is you have to add your photo that you want to add. Okay, so just click on choose photo button, and now you can upload your image from PC. So just click on upload from PC. Now what I will do, I will go to photos. Now here I am having images available. Let me select this image. Okay. Now you can see your image is uploaded, and once it is uploaded, you have to change the image by using a crop tool. Now here it is asked to crop your image, so you can just select your face that you want to put it on the coffee mug like this. You can, okay, now face is selected, just click on crop button and you are ready to go for it. Now your image is uploaded and cropped properly. Now just click on go button. Okay, and now you can see your image is ready. Within a fraction of seconds you will get your image with your face added in a coffee mug. Now if you want, you can download the image. Here is the download option. Download. Image is downloaded. Here the image is downloaded, Photophania some number.jpg. Now you can click on it. Now this is your image. Later on, if you want to add any text of, or you want to edit this image from any other tool, you can use this JPG and most of the work is done. Now if you see, if you want to do this by using a Photoshop, it will take a lot of time. You have to copy the image, you have to make it adjustable, you have to change its color, you have to use some crop options, or you need to fit your image in another image, your photo in another image, and which is a lot of time consuming. But if you're using this website, within a fraction of seconds you can get your image which is ready to put it in your website. Now here I have added a photo. In the same way you can create another image. Okay, now what I will do, I will just click on home, so that I will get other images back. And here you can see you don't need to create even your account. You can download the images without creating your account, which is totally free of cost. Now if you want to put your face in a newspaper with some text, you can select this image. Or apart from photo, if you want to put your logo somewhere, then also you can do it. For example, now let's see one more possible image. Now here I am looking for image where I can put my logo somewhere and it will look properly, or it can be used somewhere on website. Or let's go and select some categories. Here you can see lot of options are available. Now let me go for galleries. Just close the ad and see. Now here you will get lot of images with the frame where you can put your face or your complete photo or your photo of product. Okay, now I'm looking for something where I can put my logo, so I will choose another one. Okay, suppose I want to put my logo on some building, so let's see what it gives in result. Now here you can see a building, and here I want to put my logo on this building. Instead of the face, I want to put my logo. Now here just click on choose photo, select the image first and click on choose photo, upload from PC. Now here you need to search your logo, so I have a separate folder. Now here what I will do, I will select the logo. So here it is uploaded. Now you can see again the crop option is available. If required you can crop, or you can just adjust from where it has to take the logo and name. Click on crop button. Okay, your image is uploaded. Just click on go button to create your image. Got it. Okay, now you can see immediately you will get your logo which is printed on this building. Now you can download this image, and then if you want to use anywhere, you are free to use it. Now this is a simple tool, and you need to explore a lot of different options available. Now Christmas, Valentine Day, Halloween, lot of theme based images are available. Now if you are looking for images related to faces, just click on faces and you can see a lot of different images available. You can pick up any image and you can add your own face, or you can add your image of your product. You can add your logo and you can get it done. Now this is what I want to explore in this video, and I hope this is very useful for all of you. Now just go to photophonia.com and create your images as per your expectations. Now, if you like this video, please hit on the like button and share with your friends. And I'm going to prepare a lot of such videos that will increase your productivity. Now, if you want to develop websites or if you're working in a digital marketing area, then your productivity matters a lot. In one day, we have to create a lot of different images, and for this purpose, we need to know such tools where we can get a lot of work which is ready-made available, and we can download it, we can add our own logos, face or product on it, and we can use that image on websites or even for promoting on social media campaigns. If you want to develop your career in web development and digital marketing, then you can join my community. Here is a link given, and I'm giving a lot of different stuffs including courses and how to get your clients, how to register on different websites and earn a lot of money. So if you are interested to join my community, here is a link. Join my community and explore the things. Let's meet in another such video where I'm going to explore some more tools for increasing your productivity. Thank you very much. Bye bye.